Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the environment right. Update Windows and install the Wheelmaker's driver or the Xbox accessories app so the OS recognizes the device. Next, plug the wheel directly into a USB port, no unpowered hubs, and power the base. Once connected, Windows should detect a gaming device. If pairing wirelessly, put the wheel in pairing mode and run Bluetooth pairing. These steps make sure the device enumerates properly so games can see it. Once done, verify the wheel in devices and printers and open game controllers to calibrate. You calibrate so steering centers and pedals register full travel. This avoids clipping or float. Then open Steam Big Picture or your game's control options to map axes, steering sensitivity, and force feedback intensity. Make sure to save a profile per game. Different titles handle input differently, and test adjustments using built-in. Finish by testing in a practice session. Drive gently to confirm steering, pedals, and force feedback behave. Adjust force feedback strength and sensitivity incrementally so you get realistic feel without twitching. Save the final profile and back it up. If you encounter dead zones, lag, or no feedback, unplug and try another USB port, reinstall the manufacturer driver, and retry calibration. Sometimes Windows assigns a generic driver that blocks full functionality. That single troubleshooting step fixes most connection and recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.